Like, okay, you gotta be careful with these, huh? Because you don't want to break them. Oh, I like a lot. Very nice.
Produced by Malik.
What is going on, world? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. Today's gonna be unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing a bunch of aquarium stuff. Just a few more things on the way, so I might have to do a separate video. So that will be coming up as, I guess, part 2 of this video. Now, for Christmas, I decided to do something for you guys for 2021, and that is to not have advertisements on my videos for the first 12 to 24 hours. So everybody that subscribes and hits the notification icon for all notifications, you will get to watch these videos without any ads for the first 12 to 24 hours after they get uploaded. So all you have to do to watch the videos without any ads is to watch them when they get uploaded. And I know we are in a time difference. Most of you guys are in other parts of the world. So what I want to do is give you guys a leeway time between 12 and 24 hours. I'm not really certain exactly how long that would be. It probably would change depending on the video, because this will all depend on what time I put up the video and what time I wake up the next day, because that's when I like to do my YouTube analytics and check all the stuff. So I will do that for you guys. So in return, all you have to do to watch these videos without any ads is to subscribe right now and hit the notification and click all notifications, so you get every single notification from my videos. So as soon as they get out, you get to see it without any ads. So without further ado, let's look at the stuff we got today. And this stuff I already unboxed this. This is a loop of airline. I bought this from China, and it literally came like this. There was a plastic bag that you could see exactly what was inside. I just ripped it apart and took it out and took this out. So this is, I think, 50 meters. I like doing this because it saves me money. I run a lot of air in here, and I'm moving tanks, and I need to have air. So this is why I purchased this. Usually it does come with a wooden spool or a hard cardboard spool. It's never like this, but this time it's, whatever. So this was like $50-something, I think, or $87 for 50 meters. It's just a really good deal, So we're gonna put that aside, and we're gonna start opening some of these things. I think I will open this box first, okay? So it's really cool. It has a little string attached to it. Let's see if you guys can see my address. You can. All right. Remember, people, if you are using a knife, always remember to close it and put it away. And if you are cutting something, cut away from you, because you don't want this to come at you and hurt you. See? Very easy. Very easy. Okay, and now you close the knife and put it down, because I don't want anybody getting hurt, especially this time of the year, because whatever is going on, we don't want to add to the problem. So let's open this box without further ado. There we go. I know what's in here, actually. I have a really, really good idea. I know what I ordered. This box, at least. Here we are. Ta-da! Let's see what we got. Some really cool stuff. So we got Pleco caves, and they are safe and perfect. I'm not gonna open every single one of them, but I will open some to show you guys. We got bigger caves for larger fish. Got smaller caves for smaller Plecos. Got another big cave. And 2 more small caves. So in total we got 6 small caves. Amazing. And 3 large caves. So I ordered 5 small caves, so they sent me 1 extra, which is amazing. Let's see if I can show you guys what company I ordered this from. I ordered stuff from these guys a few months back, and I was really pleased with the order, so that's why I ordered more. I'm guessing they didn't put their little card this time. So the card is not there, but they usually have a little card in there and it's really cool. I really like this stuff. I know you guys want to see inside. You've seen these before. I put a link to this video up here. It's a zebra pleco case, and these are the larger caves for other Hypensis type fish. Pretty much any type of pleco. These are amazing. Look at that. Looks like a car, like a fancy sports car, right? I really like them. Yeah, these are actually from eBay. It's from a specific company in China. I really like how they designed this. The hood really makes me feel like they thought this through. And so yeah, I'm really excited for these. We'll be putting them in the tanks. So you'll see them in the coming videos. Wasn't a cave. Oh my god, that would be bad. Right? There we go. Let's put that down. The next box, I think this is going to be the highlight of the video. Yep, it is what it is. Well, it's the rotary tool pieces for my rotary tool, which we will be unboxing in the next video because it is not here yet. But I ordered these at the same time, so the other one should be here at some point today. I just didn't want to wait to record this video because I wanted to give you guys a video. So you're making me do twice the work now. And so this is the kit for the rotary tool. These are all the different attachments. Really cool. I'm really excited for this. I'm not going to pull them out. I'll do a separate unboxing of the Tack Life rotary tool that I bought for the fish room. It's probably the best DIY tool you can buy in the market for a fish room. It's a rotary tool. I'm not telling you to buy this particular brand. This is probably not the best brand. I think Dremel would probably take the price for that. This I bought because it was on sale. It was cheaper than the Dremel, and I could buy more attachments for cheaper. So I wanted something that I can do more with than what the Dremel was offering without having to spend extra money on the extra attachments. So we'll be looking at all of this in the next video. So subscribe right now and hit that notification so you get updated when that video gets uploaded, and you can watch it ad-free for the first 12 hours. So really do that right now so you guys don't have to watch any of the ads, and in turn I probably won't make any money. But that's the gift I'm gonna give to you guys, I think, through the next year, is that you get to watch all my videos without ads for the first 12 to 24 hours, because I can't keep them without ads after that. YouTube is a monetary platform. The more money a video makes, the more YouTube also likes it, because they also make money that way. And the more views the video has, the more likes, the more subscriptions the channel has. All these things, these are called metrics, and all of it matters. So if you want to help me out, that's how you can help me out right now, is by subscribing, hitting that notification icon, and also commenting, liking my videos, and sharing my content throughout your networks. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you on the next video, which is probably going to come out later today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I forgot the name of the company. I'll put the link right here for the other unboxing with the name of the company. Comment below and let me know, because I want to do more business with you guys. I really like your caves. I mean, we have our own brand of caves here in Canada, but this is the creme de la creme of the caves. I really like them. Last but not least, ooh, sexy. Yeah. All right.